Hello guys, Miko here. I will paint today the Witcher, kind of. It's actually the Witch Hunter from the Signum Workshop. I will focus in the today's recording on his undead flesh, so I hope you will enjoy it, and let's start. Before I start highlighting, I have primed my zombie black, and now I want to cover all the flesh parts with violet. In this case it will be serious purple, so only the flesh parts needs to be covered. You don't need to be especially careful. Okay, as you can see guys, I covered off all the flesh parts with purple, and now I'm ready for the Zenithal Highlight. So this is the result after the edge highlight, and at this point I will take brown gray from Vallejo and will Zenithal highlight the flesh parts, only the flesh parts. I set my airbrush to a very small dot, and carefully I Zenithal highlight the flesh parts. This is the result after the first highlight. As you can see, I was able to highlight some of the muscles. Give this a minute or two to dry, and we will start with the next step. I have heavy diluted Xerios purple, and I want to accent every deep recess of the muscles that I missed. I want to have here a nice decayed deep shadows. And in addition to it, you can of course blend the transition between the gray brown and the purple color. Take a look at my brush. You will see that I'm painting only with the tip. And do exactly the same for the rest of the miniature. This is the result after I highlighted the muscles. It is grayish purple for now. To accent all the muscles in this case, I will use the same color that I used for the airbrush, brown gray air, normal with the brush. So I load the air color to my brush, and now I will accent my muscles that I want to. So the Witcher has on the back his ribs, and I want them to stand out. So I will cover the ribs and until I'm happy with the transition. Please note that this is a zombie, so it is perfectly fine when the transitions are not 100% accurate. The after effect will look more natural, if I can say so, in case of a zombie. highlight all of the muscles till you're happy with the end result. After I highlighted the muscles, this is the result. So I will keep highlighting the flesh with a mixture of brown gray and beige. I will keep highlighting, so to the next highlight I will add more of the beige color and will reduce the highlighted area. So for the most raised parts I can still use the airbrush, and for those parts that are too tiny I will switch to the regular brush. With the same color as in the airbrush, I keep highlighting with the regular brush. I added to the previous mix a drop of white and will apply the finish highlight on the only on the most raised parts of the flesh. And this is the final look of the flesh. Thanks guys for attention. I hope you had a lot of fun and will able to recreate the whole process. Have a nice week and I will see you next time. Bye bye!